a couple of new things. Not too much. I will be, wait. Got a couple of tool reviews today, and this will probably spread out for over a couple of months, so you'll see this video and a whole bunch later on. I just scattered them everywhere. So here, I'll show you my first thing I picked up. This is another oil can. Sorry about the dirty shirt. I have a toddler. This is a oil can, basically. No name bobber. Any oil in it? Nope, it's in good shape. Just your average run-of-the-mill oil can. It's pretty beefy. Like, they're pretty cool. Nothing too fancy. Just actually, let me show you this. Let me show you the whole can first. It's a nice one. It's got a. It's not one of those Eagle ones. The tip is your usual. The bottom is nice shape. It's pretty clean. Usual condition. Order painted. Here's the inside. I don't know if you can see inside it. It's got oil in it. A little oily. Here's the. I like how thick that is. Like, I never really opened them up all the time. I just kind of throw them on my shelf. So yeah, basically, I bought another oil can. I'd like to see a video how they make these. I know there's a seam going in there. You can see it. And like what machine rolls it. It's pretty cool. Probably leaks out too all the time. This one's got a split in it. So yeah, it's the big oil can. Let me wipe this oil off here. Wipe it off the bench here. There we go. So that's my first little gadget for today. I'm going to make a few more videos, and so stay tuned, and thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to click some buttons over here and over here. Toodles.